$1.20. That's how this LED cluster cost for indoor use only, because it doesn't like water. So let's see these, yeah, I call them Christmas lights. They allegedly work with 2 batteries, 3 batteries. And are they included? Enthalten, absolute, include. Okay, so I got 3 batteries for $1. Okay, that's good enough. I don't even need the lights then. So let's try to open this. Yeah. Oh boy. It's all scratched up and stuff. But yeah, $1. I think it's fair. Let's see what it says. Does it have English? Only Deutsch and Romanian. Yeah, a bunch of warnings, and don't short circuit it because the batteries may blow up and stuff. Yeah. Whatever. Let's try it out. Oh, another warning or something. Oh, but this is kind of useful. So the LEDs are 3 volt, 20 milliamp, and 006 watts. That means for 40 pieces, how much is that? 4 times 6. So 3 watts total. Is this consumption or 3 watts? Then these batteries won't last for long. But yeah, whatever. I will power it from something else maybe, if this doesn't work out. But yeah, don't really care. So you have to pop this open. Yeah, come on, man. Or they're just installed and you just turn them on? No. There's probably the piece of tape there that you have to remove before it turns on. So I have to pop this open somehow. Yeah, I don't really see how this is put together. Oh yeah, those things are holding it there. These are grabbing onto a piece on the bottom. So this is what we have to remove. Maybe I'll break it, but whatever. I don't really care for that amount of money. Come on. Yeah, I got it. Oh, yeah. So let's see. Now it's in off mode. All twisted up. Focus in. And let's pull this out, okay? What kind of batteries are these? Alkaline. Guantecel. Whatever. Let's put it in. And turn it on. Wow. They turn on. Yeah, so they are these little things here. Kind of interesting. Little bulbs. Like droplets of glue. Yeah, interesting. I don't know what I will do with this. So it also has a timer function. If I put it there, then it will only glow like 6 hours or something, then will turn off. And yeah, let's see here. It's got a little controller here. and all the wires are connected here. So yeah, no big surprise. It's a simple little thing. It even got a capacitor here, a resistor. Okay, so yeah, this is a really simple design for $1.20. Yeah, they all seem to be working. Oh boy. Yeah, but these wires are really hard, so you can't apply them to many things, and yeah, because they'll break probably. Yeah, I'll have fun trying to undo this and then try to shape it into something like this. Yeah, follow the main wires like that. Yeah, like that. Okay, the main wire is free mostly, and let's see. Oh boy, this is kind of janky here, all these stupid wires. Yeah, I will have fun with it. For now, you should just know that this was from the hypermarket Kaufland, and kind of nice little LEDs. I'll probably use them for something else. 4.5 volt input. That could also be a lithium-ion battery, a rechargeable one if you want, connected directly to the battery. So the electronics connected to the battery will give you 4.2 volts, so slightly less brightness, but still pretty good, and rechargeable. This solution is not rechargeable, so yeah, this is not very environmentally friendly, green, or whatever you call it. So yeah, I will probably use these batteries for something else, for a TV remote or something, and put in rechargeable ones, or a lithium-ion battery. So yeah, that's it. Cheap stuff, works great, whatever.